So we're vacuuming all of this debris on the bottom straight out of the pool directly into the yard. We're adding 2 jugs of chlorine right here to help loosen up this algae so it's going to come off the walls easier. It's always easier to deal with dead algae. Now here is all the concrete dust in the pool from the deck. The main reason we're here to clean this pool. The green's just an added bonus for us. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here, and please subscribe right here. Thank you so much, we'll see you next week.